Uh-oh. So that is right, the E36 sadly broke down. I think it's alternator, but honestly I don't know what it could be. It could be the battery. Really, I don't know what it could be. So today we're gonna be diagnosing it, and I think it's the battery. My dad is gonna be dropping off a new alternator later, but I wanna do some tests. Could it be the battery? So I think I'm gonna try, I have a battery over there. Let's try to put it in, I'm gonna charge it up. 13 millimeter, where did it go? Found it. Before we do anything, let's charge the battery. So, extension cord. Aha. Alright, so we got that one charging up. Now we have to put the one in there. Battery is out. First problem, there's water in the bottom. That's not a good sign. I don't know why there's water, but nevertheless, the battery is out. That one's charging. Now this is interesting. Hooked up the old battery just to see what it was at. 9 volts. Okay, now next question is that because of the alternator not charging it, which it could be, is this battery bad? I don't think so. I really don't. I don't think it's a bad battery. But with that being said, I guess we just need to put on the new alternator. First thing we gotta do is take off this air box. So I don't know how detailed this will be. It'll be relatively detailed, but not super detailed. Okay, with those 2 nuts removed, we should be able to just pull this out. Perfect. Now we have to take off the rest of the air box. And just like that, the airbox is out. And while we're here, we might as well just top off the power steering fluid. It's whining a lot, and I'm actually getting a new pump soon. But anyways, there is the actual alternator itself. I mean, it looks crusty. It looks pretty crusty, not gonna lie. Now, we're going to start removing the pulley. First what we need to do is, you see that chrome nut right there? I put that there on purpose so you guys can see, but that is a belt tensioner. So we have to loosen that so this isn't as tight or as taut. So we're gonna have to loosen that by pushing it downwards actually, which is kind of, reverse. And then we can take out that top nut, bottom nut, which you can't see, maybe a little bit right there, down there. And then we can take it out. Okay, he wasn't kidding, just like that, it's off. Oh. Now you can see there is a power and a ground. BMW, for whatever reason, made them 2 different sizes. So I believe that is a 10 and this is a 12 or something around those realms. Alright, so you can see that everything's out. There are 2 terminals. I can totally see just a big old turbo right here. I think we'll look good. So this is the old one. Okay, so now guys, we just have to wait for my dad to bring off the new one. And then we're gonna have to put it in the car and see if that fixes the problem. I'm hoping it will. I think it will. But honestly, you never really know. So, okay. So now you can see that the new alternator is here. All shiny and everything. So now we just need to connect the leads and everything. I don't know how much more I'm gonna film just because it's very dark out, but we'll at least see if the car starts running. Okay, so the alternator is in. Not all the way in. I still have to tighten everything down and everything, and then put on the belt, and then put on the airbox. Then we can put on the battery and see if it works. So that was like 3 days ago. But basically, it was just too dark to film, and my lighting scenario just wasn't very good, and honestly it was just not that great, because first of all I got the wrong alternator. It was 140 amp, but it still works. Everything's just a touch brighter, but really it works fine. This video was actually filmed before the exhaust video. Basically, the car runs great now. It was just the alternator that was bad. I tested the battery and it was fine. So it wasn't the battery's fault or anything. But yeah, we're all good now. And honestly, I'm happy that was it, because it could have been a lot worse. Really. But anyways, guys, I really hope you take it easy, and new videos should be coming out maybe Sunday, because we have to put on the power steering pump with my dad. But anyways, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.